Did you know most cars lose over half their energy as heat? Imagine if we could grab that and use it. Here's the breakthrough doing just that. It's called a flexible thermoelectric harvester. Think of it like a magic sponge for heat. It wraps around your car's exhaust pipe, soaking up all that hot air. But here's the cool part. With a liquid metal heatsink, it pulls even more heat, turning it into electricity. That means more power for things like your AC, sound system, or even charging your phone, without burning extra fuel. Smart, clean, and futuristic. Would you try it in your car? Visit our website. Global Automobile Award nomination open now, automobileaward.com. Subscribe our channel for more tips.